Hey shoppers, today we have a cool mist humidifier we got from Amazon. Comes with an instruction manual on how to operate it and care for it. You want to make sure you use distilled water. This is BPA free and it's really nice in appearance. We're going to fill it up with water, plug it in, and show you how it works. Easy to fill it up. You take this off of the base and there's a plug. It does come with two plugs, a replacement. It simply screws back on. You flip it over and set it on back on top. There are 3 different lids, so 3 different ways for the mist to come out. This is the one it comes with. It just simply pops off, and then you can pop this one on. Okay. You turn this knob to power it on, and it instantly starts working. Do you see the mist right there? So you can set it for low, you turn this, and then this is what high looks like. Oh my gosh, this really puts out the mist. Oh, it's really nice. Okay, so say we want to change it out. This brings moisture into the air. Say your kiddos are dealing with croup or congestion. This cool mist will help bring moisture to the air to break up a cough. And then lastly,